Do watering restrictions mean we can't have beautiful gardens? Absolutely not. This is Luann Aiken, Tagawa's Garden Ambassador. There are lots of things to plant and grow this season and still obey the rules. Tagawa's is here to show you how. Many water districts will allow hand watering of annuals and vegetables as long as you attach a shutoff valve at the end of the hose. Tagawa's has a wide assortment of hand watering tools that are perfect for the job. New trees and shrubs often do best on a thorough, deep watering just twice a week. Tagawa's certified arborists are here to help. Used properly, a soaker hose covered with a few inches of mulch can do wonders for both new and established plants and not waste a drop of water in the process. Go to TagawaGardens.com and click on Gardening During Drought. You'll link to a site that will give you your watering rules based on your zip code. You'll also find lots of information on plants and trees that are drought tough. Tagawa's and TagawaGardens.com, the perfect place for plants and tools you can use to obey the watering rules.